Hello and welcome to NinjaSofts. On today's video, we're going to look at how we can transfer funds from one account to another. So first of all, we head over to accounts from the main menu. Then we click on list of accounts. After that, we need to select the account that we want to transfer our funds from the table of accounts. Then we hit funds transfer. So by default, our account that we want to transfer our funds from is selected. So here we need to select the account that we want to transfer our funds to. Then we enter the amount. Then if you want to transfer your funds to another account on a specific date, you can select that as well. And if you want to add any note or attach any specific document, you can do that as well. Then click on submit. So you have successfully transferred your funds from your one account to another. You can check that by account book. So as you can see, we have successfully transferred our funds to the other account. Well, that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.